It started silently. No headlines, no debates, just quiet murmurs from the Federal Reserve, whispers from Capitol Hill, and digital prototypes behind closed doors. The digital dollar, what sounds like innovation, could become the biggest transformation of your financial life.
John, everyone's hearing about the digital dollar, but there's still so much confusion. Is this just another crypto? Or is it something far more powerful?
Great question, Michael. The digital dollar isn't crypto. It's programmable, traceable government currency. Unlike Bitcoin, which is decentralized, this would be completely under federal control. And that's where it gets dangerous. Because what happens when your money is no longer private? If you think this is about convenience, think again. The shift could mean the death of cash, and with it, the death of anonymous transactions, financial autonomy, and even your freedom to choose what to spend money on. Every major government in the world is watching this experiment unfold. China already has its digital yuan. The EU is testing the digital euro. But the US? The stakes are higher, because the dollar is the world's reserve currency.
But John, isn't this just modernization? I mean, we already use Venmo, PayPal, credit cards. How's this different?
The difference is control. Your PayPal transaction isn't permanent. A digital dollar can be tracked, limited, reversed. Imagine a world where your spending is capped during a climate emergency, or your account is frozen for spreading misinformation. This isn't conspiracy. These are features being discussed right now. Programmable money means programmable freedom. Once in place, they won't need laws to limit your behavior, they'll just rewrite the code. Let's say you buy a book, donate to a cause, support an independent journalist. With a digital dollar, those transactions could be flagged, tracked, logged forever.
Wait, you're saying the government could monitor everything we spend?
Exactly. Total surveillance, not just of your finances, but your values, your habits, even your politics. This isn't the future. It's already started in pilot programs. And once privacy dies, it rarely comes back. Think your money is yours? With a digital dollar, you might only borrow it.
What about financial emergencies? Could this be used to protect the system?
Yes, and that's the problem. In the name of stability, they can freeze funds, limit withdrawals, or deny transactions. Picture another 2008, but this time you can't pull your money out. History has shown us. When institutions panic, they prioritize their survival, not yours. Look to China. Citizens with low trust scores are denied travel, loans, even education. The digital yuan makes it all possible. And with the digital dollar, the infrastructure would exist here.
But that's China. Could that really happen in the US?
Michael, the tools are already here. Credit scores, ESG ratings, AI surveillance. One crisis, climate, health, political unrest, and the system can flip overnight. Don't think it can't happen. Ask yourself, if they could do it, why wouldn't they? Right now, most Americans don't realize the groundwork is already laid. Executive orders, Federal Reserve proposals, and in times of emergency, democratic checks disappear.
John, is this why we're seeing talk of financial emergencies and sudden legislation?
Yes, the strategy is simple. Create panic, offer a solution, roll out control. You've seen it before. 9/11, 2008, 2020. Each crisis expands government reach, and they never scale it back. In the fog of fear, they'll present the digital dollar as a lifeline. But what if it's the leash? This isn't just a warning. It's a wake-up call.
So what can people do, John? Is it already too late?
It's never too late if you prepare. Diversify your assets, consider physical cash, gold, decentralized crypto, and offshore options. Stay informed. And most importantly, never give up your financial literacy. The systems of control are rising, but so are the people asking questions. This podcast is just the beginning. Your awareness is your first shield. Your preparation, your freedom.
If this episode hit hard, don't just sit with it. Share it. Send it to someone who needs to hear the truth.
And don't forget to subscribe, because next week, we dive into the terrifying rise of global financial ID systems and what they could mean for your future. Stay alert. Stay free.